Two old friends meet again.
Sana magwawakas ito sa ating dalawa.
Faces
Pero
talk about
lahat ng yun ay bigla na lang nagbago. Huli na ba ako?
Sweethearts who fell apart.
Namimiss ang bawat segundong magkasama tayo. Lalo na yung mga ngiti na ito.
Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time
Ako'y nagmamahal na.
it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just
At wala nang iba. Ngaya'y hanggang tingin
She's
ng
rocking